Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a review and tutorial using the new e.l.f. Bite Size eyeshadow palettes. I created this look I have on right now. If you're interested, just keep watching, but go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, I am having a giveaway going on right now, and I will link that information in the description of this video. So here are all the bite-sized eyeshadow palette shades. I went to my local Walmart and they only had the one palette. So if you want me to review more of these bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, comment down below. e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palette retails for $3. The bite-sized palette I'm using today is Rose Water. The bite-sized palettes come in 8 different color versions. The eyeshadows are pigmented, but if you want it to be very pigmented and bold, you do have to build up that shadow, but I'm definitely shocked at how pigmented the shadow is, especially for it only being $3. I really like these bite-sized palettes. They're very cute and also I think would be very convenient if you travel. They are small, so you could easily take them with you. Like always, the first thing I am going to be doing is priming my eyes, and I am going to be using the Jeffree Star concealer to do that. And I do leave the concealer wet so the eyeshadow sticks better and blends out better. The first shade I'm going to be going in with is the light mauve color. I'm going to be blending that all over my outer corner and the lid of my eye. Now I am going to be going in with the darkest shade in the palette, and I'm going to be using that to darken up my outer crease. This dark shadow is a matte, but it also has some shimmer flakes in it. And I am packing quite a bit of that shade on to get the full pigmentation. And as you guys can see, I am going to be taking that shade from my outer corner and dragging it over along the crease of my eye, but I'm not going to be getting it too close into the inner corner because I do not want that dark of a shade to be in the inner corner. Since I am doing a cut crease, I want to keep the darker shade on the outer corner and keep the inner corner light. I am going to be going back in with that light mauve color, and I'm going to be blending out the darker shadow I just applied. Something I am noticing is that this eyeshadow is very powdery, so there definitely is going to be some fallout. That's just something to be cautious of. You could use some eye shields or powder to catch the fallout. And I'm just going to be repeating those last 2 steps on my other eye. So the eyeshadow blends together perfectly, especially the dark shadow. It is almost effortless to blend. Everything is blending together really well. I am going to be taking the lightest shimmer shadow and apply that on my inner crease of my eye. You guys can see I didn't do a cut crease today. I'm applying it with my finger, giving it a kind of a messy, smoky eye look. I think that the colors in this palette are cool toned and they all go together very well. Now I am going to be smoking out my lower lash line using that dark shadow. I'm going to be applying it as close to my waterline as possible. And I am using a flat defining brush to do that. Now I am going to be blending out that dark shadow with the light mauve. You do want to make sure you blend those two shadows together very well. It can be kind of tricky to do your lower lash line. I feel like I'm just now kind of getting the hang of it. Okay guys, here is the final look. I love how it turned out. It is more of a cool toned smoky eye look. Alright guys, that is all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I really love these little mini eyeshadow palettes. I think that they're so cute and perfect for traveling. If you guys are interested in seeing the other bite-sized eyeshadow palettes, let me know and I can do a tutorial on those. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.